I'm Surendra, working at TTW URJC Voice Singer. Today I'm going to make a video on poster making. What is a poster? Poster is one of the communication medium used to convey the message. Poster is one type of communication medium like TV and newspapers and WhatsApp, like that. It is a communication medium. So the message of a poster should be brief and clear. So it should be in brief and it should be clear. So what are the goals of the poster? Capture the audience you are talking to and inform the audience you are talking to. So what are the points? What are the points to take care while making a poster? So I will teach you while making a poster what are the points you should taking care of. So first of all, use captions. Use captions. Second one, use of slogans. And third one is logo. You should use logo, symbols, or other pictures, related pictures you should use. And fourth one, message should be in short. Message should be in short. Use telegraphic language. What is meant by telegraphic language? Telegraphic language. What is telegraphic language? Telegraphic language is combining two words into a simple sentences. Combining two words into a simple sentence. So an infant might say, or a 2 years boy might say, cat sleeping. Here, for example, cat sleeping. It means is the cat sleeping? So it means is the cat sleeping? So and sometimes he told like that, tell like that, this shoe wet. This shoe wet. What that, like that. What that? And what her name? Mummy no play, baby no eat apple, like that. The infants using the language. That is the telegraphic language. Next, the telegraphic language is very important in our poster making. Next, you have to use catchy words. Catchy words. Catchy words means pleasing and easy to remember. Easy to remember. Then you have to use short sentences. Short sentences. So what are the specialty? So what is the specialty in the post making? So here specialty one is brain tickling. Second one is eye catching. Eye catching means very attractive. Poster should be very attractive and noticeable. Then open-minded question should be asked. Open-minded questions should be asked. So what is open-minded questions? So it is not yes or no type questions. Which requires response. It's not yes or no type question, which requires response. So the response can be compared to information that is already known to the questioner. For example, what is the purpose of government? Why did you choose that answer? How do you see your future? Like that. So what is the purpose of government? Is that yes or no type question? No, it's a response oriented questions. So that is the minded questions. Next, fourth one, heading should be highlighted. Heading should be highlighted. Right? You must highlighted the heading. Next, after finally, you have to write issued by. Who issued this poster? So name of the organization you have to write. Name of the organization. You have to write name of the organization, and finally you have to put the poster in the box. You have to put poster in the box. So this is the format about poster making. So another thing is, this poster making should not exceed 50 words. Should not exceed 50 words. The maximum words limit is 50 words. So I will show a model poster for you. So here is the model poster. Here is the model poster. So don't hug the drug. It will suck your blood. So I drawn some pictures. I'm very poor at picture. So don't hug the drug. It is the head. Heading should be highlighted. It is heading. And it will suck your blood. This is the caption. Caption of the heading. Then you have to paste pictures, like logo or pictures or symbols, whatever it is. You have to required pictures you have to paste in the poster. So then drugs lead you to death. So drug lead you to death. This is the short sentence. We are using short sentences here. Short sentences. Then live drug and live life. Live drug and live life. It is a telegraphic language. Telegraphic language we are using here. Graphic language. Then drug addiction, endless affliction. So drug addiction, endless affliction is a slogan. We have used a slogan here also. Then finally you have to write the organization name. Issued by the organization name, the Drug Control Society, Sardar Market, New Delhi. This is the format of, finally I put into the box. So this is the format of poster making. So I hope everybody understand this poster making. Thank you. I hope everyone staying at home, stay safe, wear mask whenever you go outside, and wash your hands thoroughly, and please maintain the social distancing. Thank you.